So, just
So one reason why they advise
kailangan
you to choose their friends is because, syempre, ayaw ko naman nila na yung teens or yung young ones would do with bad or negative exposure. So that's one thing. Kailangan i-support your friends and shares. So another, among your group of friends, you can pressure each other naman doing good things like being honest, avoiding alcohol, avoiding drugs, yun, working hard or studying hard, or exercising together. Fun things. So there are some good peer pressure which can be of benefit to your friends and benefit to yourself. Wait,
Nabore na ako.
well, actually, yun ang problem ng talk show. Your talk show is boring. Yung the technical lang ang masaya. Well, remember, you are being graded with the talk show, not with the technical. Dapat
Dapat,
nag-concentrate kayo.
tsaka dapat nagtatanong na din sila, ano.
Dapat doon kayo nag-concentrate. Ito yan, nagsalita si Hansel. Sana meron siyang PowerPoint. Ang dami-dami yung ginawa sa PowerPoint. Hindi yung ginawa ng PowerPoint yung
Ewan ko.
ang dami-dami yung animation. Di ba kahit simpleng animation ng one word. Para na nakikinig yung mga yan.
Ang init kasi.
For kami,
What's best for
hindi nyo nagamit yung plan.
parents, friends, they know what's best for them. So it's good really to say flowers. Pero what's the feeling that what you feel or what you decide is correct? What's that feeling? Don't about it.
Yung pagde-deliver.
Something new.
Okay, you have to educate your child. For the parents, you have to educate your child. To have this, you ask someone if you need help. You can ask everyone for an advice, especially the old ones, because they know what's best for you.
So for our audience, meron ba kayong clarification or questions or yes?
Wala na.
Any question? Pwede kayo
Sabihin na, very well said naman.
psychologist and
Kung walang katawag ako.
Diba? Parang
Kasi
talk
yung
show.
nakita sa people, and I think talaga it will help our topic for today. Let's call Jermaine Pedro. Yes.
Last November, napakalalim.
When we say that after So the question is, when do we say that a peer is someone
we can trust.
Si Julie nalilimutan na may hawak naman.
you want to answer? Or
Nagtatanong
yes?
kasi dyan ang
The question is for what? For who?
This is your
For everybody.
presentation.
Just two.
Sa demo ba mo taga?
Kuya Mac.
Problema pa rin yun.
And I think you can consider your peers as a treasure if they benefit. If you have,
Kaya nga, mali na
if
lang.
you absorb any benefits from them, if they can help you in times of crisis and times of trouble. For example, in my part, they can help me in times when I don't know what's the correct answer. They can teach me the correct formula, diba? It's not about the cheating. It's not about the cheating, right? If they can help me and lead me to the right track, then that's I think the correct thing that I can call them as a friend. My peers.
Right track.
Right track, kabayan.
You can consider your friend as a friend if that friend of yours helps you.
Pag lumakang right track, talaga pa kabayan. Hindi mo yung right track.
So the second question came from Mr. Andy.
Where's my bag?
Back.
Kinukuha na mo ba ako?
The one Jesse?
What hope for? The singer. Shy.
I'm shy. Are your peers?
are quite shy, are your peers act as the one who encourages you for your betterment, or are they the one who pushes you to do something different?
For me, my friends affect me positively. Especially when, right now, because during those times when I'm 15 years old, I was very shy, just being in front of many people. So right now, my friends serve as my motivators when it comes to singing, and I consider them as those people that who affect me positively. It shows that our friends talaga affect us positively and negatively.
So, ganun talaga minsan. So, peers can be misleading or leading. Talagang minsan, hindi natin malaman kung sila din. Pero dapat lang, nasa atin na yung isasama tayo.
At saka, it depends upon us kapag mali na, tuloy pa ba tayo? Or pag tama, tuloy tayo. So sa atin yun eh. Let's ask ourselves if it is wrong.
Ourselves.
Oh, you're not happy. Learn to be happy now.
Kasi partner actually, there is a Filipino saying na lahat ng masarap, lahat ng bawal ay masarap. Pero, in sometimes naman kasi syempre, kung lahat ng bawal ay masarap, dapat alam mo rin, hindi lahat ng masarap dapat. Diba?
Hindi kasi, i-face mo lang yung consequence to gagawin. Dapat ang maging i-accept mo pa. Na meron kang consequence na.
Dapat sila talaga magdala. There's nothing wrong with them. That's their talk.
End of our time for today. But before we end, partner, we would like to thank our sponsors.
Wala akong sponsor.
We would like to thank Unilever Philippines for the Touch Me Now stick. It's got no wafer stick. Tapos maraming salamat sa lahat ng tumulong to make this
Melting.
success. Okay, so till next time. Maraming salamat nga pala sa akin.
Hindi na siya nagsalita.
Laging something.
And syempre, we would like to thank Mama Burgos for having us here at the biggest
So, syempre, yung ating kapangkat si Sir Rafi.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay. Tapos si Ma'am Rita. Okay, so we would also like to thank Ma'am Aburgos for giving us guidelines for this. Maraming salamat. At syempre, thank you very much na rin po sa ano.
We're not expecting, but thank you for our exemption in our
Okay,
So guys, until next time.
dito lang yan sa Boy and Sis!
Jeanine, ayaw umupo.